What's up guys, this is Cody here. And as you guys know, in iOS 9.1, there was a ton of emojis that were released that a lot of people wanted to get. And in order to do that, you obviously had to upgrade to iOS 9.1. Now, for everybody that was jailbroken, like me, for instance, on iOS 9.0.2, you weren't able to just upgrade because you would lose your jailbreak. Now, a lot of people have been trying to actually get those emojis to work on previous iOS versions like this one right here, and it just wasn't working. Either some of the emojis weren't working or they wouldn't work in specific applications. There were just a lot of issues with it, but I can tell you right now with 100% confidence that this process that I'm about to show you works 100% of the time in every application with every emoji. So let's go ahead and jump into this, and I'm going to show you exactly how to install these new emojis on your jailbroken device. So the process is actually really easy. First thing you want to do is just open up Cydia here, and then you're going to want to install a repo, and it's going to be this one right here, the one that says Hamza Sood beta test. So this is going to be the link that you guys are going to want to add. Of course, I'll put that on the screen right here. And then once you add that, what you want to download is Emoji 9 beta. So once you install this, you can just tap on it. There should be one tweak in there, and it's going to be the Emoji 9 beta. So once you install that and respring your device, there's going to be two other things that you need to download. One you might already have downloaded, and it's called Bytefont 3. So what Bytefont does is allow you to basically change the font system-wide on your device. So you're going to have this in order to add those emojis to your keyboard. So go ahead and search for Bytefont 3 and install that. And then once you've downloaded that, the next and last thing that you want to download is called Emoji iOS 9.1 Backup D. Now, when you download this or when you search for it, you want to make sure that you're downloading the correct one because there are two versions of this in ModMyEye. So just tap up here and then start to type it in. So it's just Emoji iOS 9.1 Backup D. So you'll see right here that there are two identical packages. The one that you want to download is going to be for Bytefont 3. The other one, the one that you don't want, is for Bytefont 2. So the way that you check that is you just tap on it, and you can see that it actually says Bytefont 3 right there. And if it loads up quicker than that, it's going to be all the way at the bottom. So this is the one that you're going to want to install. Obviously, if we tap on this other one right here, you can see it says Bytefont 2. So just make sure that you're downloading the one for Bytefont 3. So I'll go ahead and install this here, just like that. And you can see that it's actually rather large, it's about 61 megs. So we'll just tap on that to download that. Now the cool thing about this is once you get this installed, once you have Bytefont 3 installed and you have the Emoji iOS 9.1 Backup D installed, and then you apply it, you can actually uninstall both of those packages and still have 9.1 emojis on your device, which is actually pretty cool. But I'll go ahead and show you this right now as I return to Cydia, and we'll actually go over here into Bytefont, which I don't even know where it is. There it is, Bytefont 3. And then what you want to do is just tap on, you can see that this is emoji right here. So if you tap on that, you can see, are you sure you want to proceed? This is going to respring your device. So once you respring, it's actually going to work. Now I don't need to do this just because it's already working on my device. So you'll see right here, if I go over into my messages here and I open that up, tap on my emojis, you'll see all these new emojis that are going to work on your device, just like that. And the cool thing about this is I double check just to make sure that other people on iOS 9.1 or higher can see my emojis, and they confirm that they could see them as well. So everything works 100%. You can see that it works in messages. If I wanted to use Tweetbot and I open up a new tweet, boom, it works in Tweetbot, works in Twitter, works in Notes, everywhere it works. So for me, this was a massive reason that I wanted to upgrade to iOS 9.1. So at this point, I'm not really too worried about upgrading just because I have the main feature on my jailbroken device now. So of course, if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. Of course, if you have any issues or problems, make sure you leave them down in the comments below. I'll try to help you guys out as much as I can, but hopefully for the most part, this is gonna work right out of the box. All right, guys, if you wanna see more of my videos, make sure you subscribe. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.